Hi, Lindsay.
Me and my...
Hi, Lindsay. Hi, Lindsay.
Me and my dad found this mystery purple box, and purple's my favourite colour.
Mystery purple box.
And I found this little green sheep that's in Minecraft.
I love him.
And he's going to be my friend helper. And then leave down in the comment section you guys think is in here.
What if it's a snake? Oh my goodness. It could be full of spells.
Nope.
Oh, we could get spelled.
We won't.
You think? Triangula. I hope not.
So this got on with the video. So we'll put my little green friend plushie here. I'll put it over here.
You're awesome! We love you!
So this is what's inside. So you want to make slime. Okay.
Is that instruction book? Oh, thank goodness, at least it's not a spell book. We're safe.
We're safe.
Any spiders?
No.
Tarantula? Snake?
Definitely not.
Snake? No snake?
So
Thank goodness.
these little spoons, I know what they're going to be for.
Ah.
So I'll put these here. Foam cubes.
Foam cubes.
There's...
These squishy look like sugar cubes. Wow.
Yes. Okay. All the lids are falling.
All the lids are falling for you.
So we've got this little mini tub.
Wow.
We've got...
Foam cube.
That one's an oval, this one's a circle. Then we've got these ones.
Okay.
These lids.
Got some lids.
Then we've got, we'll definitely need these for the slime.
Ooh.
Measuring cups.
Yeah.
We'll put these.
Purple beads.
We need to be careful with these because look, you can just pull it open and then it all shatter.
What's your favourite colour?
Purple.
Purple mystery box. Slime ingredients. Oh, can't we?
There's pink and blue.
Wow, I love that blue.
Blue.
Look how blue that is. Oh,
Put
very
these
cool.
right here.
Blue, pink, and
Purple.
Purple.
Ooh. There's some white ones too. They look like teeth too. So put that here in the pail too. What is this?
Soft clay. There could be a snake in there. Oh, don't open it. Could be a triangular.
I'm not going to open it. Ooh. So we'll definitely need these slime activator. We'll put that in there.
What's
And
this one?
then clear glue. What's got one is the...
Clear glue. Let's work it out.
We've even got... Oh no. Some of the blue ones fell out. Some of the blue ones fell out.
Oh no.
That's okay.
Like the blue ones.
These things.
Oh, I know what those are.
What?
Cutting and shaping your soft clay.
So, tell you guys what's in here. There is cloud white. I think it's like,
What is it?
I don't know. It
Is it
just
colouring?
says, no.
No, what kind of colour?
It says cloud white.
Cloud white. That is cloud white. I don't think we're going to know until we actually check the instructions. Here you go.
Put this down here.
Okay.
And guess what?
Yeah.
Because it's Christmas soon, guess what it comes
Oh,
with?
steady sleeps.
Snow
powder. Ah! Everybody loves fake snow. Yay!
So put that down there. Some things for the slime.
Uh-oh. That looks like glitter to me.
If we get it all over the floor, Mummy will be mad.
She'll be mad. And Daddy will get the blame for it as usual.
Yeah. Strawberry flavoured.
Strawberry flavoured. I think it's strawberry scented.
Oh.
But it's non-edible. You're not supposed to eat that.
And then we've got some of this. And this one is blush pink. This one is sky blue.
I'm pretty sure it's colouring.
Yes.
Hello fishies! Mystery box! So we've got slime activator, clear glue, cloud white. We have
My little squisher. Snow powder.
snow powder.
These two things.
Colouring thing.
Colouring. We've got this thing.
Strawberry scent. Pink, blue, and colour blue.
Yes.
And some
Mermaid.
man-made beads, utensils to cut the clay, some containers to mix some stuff, some tubs to keep the slime in, I'm assuming, foam cubes that look like sugar cubes, and some soft clay. Wow!
Oh wait, you know soft play.
Soft clay, it rhymes.
They rhyme.
They rhyme. Wow!
And we got some mermaid stuff to match with this. So there's party purple.
Party purple.
Pink, purple, blue. Pink, purple, purple, blue. Pink, purple, blue. And there's even more of these. There is candy.
Oh, I get it. Okay, so for the blue one, we've got bubble gum because that goes with blue. We've got red for strawberry because that goes with
and pink. So
purple, I suppose. And the candy will go with pink.
And then we've got some more scented, and it's vanilla.
Vanilla. Vanilla. They're hugging. They two are hugging.
I found this. This is the last item. And look.
Wow. Do you know where that goes?
Where?
No, I'm asking. I don't know.
I do not know.
I think it goes here. I think it goes on the slime activator.
Wait.
Do you really need that though?
We need to pop something out.
I think there's only one thing left to do.
Make it!
Make some slime! Let's make some slime! Some focus slimy goo. I'm going to cast a spell on you. Ooh.
To make the slime, we don't have any room anymore.
That's fine. I'll wax it. There you go.
Yay!
Yay, we've got 2 tables. So what we'll do is we'll transfer all the stuff from this table to that table.
And then if all of the stuff doesn't fit on this table, we can put some
on the bottom. Sounds like a plan. And it's also Lindsay's job. So 1, 2, 3. One eternity later.
So I really want to do today is butter slime.
Mix basic slime 1, basic slime 1. So you make that first. Then add a colour of your choice before the activator. Add an equal amount of clay to the slime. Knead together until fully mixed. And that makes butter slime. Let's do it!
My pal is going to sit here to help
her?
me. So what will we do first? Okay.
Make basic slime 1 first. First thing we need is 30 millilitres of clear glue and a measuring cup. Okay. Clear glue.
Perfect.
30 mils. So we need 30 mils.
Do we squeeze it?
Squeeze it till it comes out. Ah ha ha! It's not even.
I need some help with this.
Okay. You need that?
There we go.
There you go.
Oh.
You want to wipe out your fingers?
No.
You okay?
I'll do that when I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, I will do that. That is the fastest way.
Look at that. It doesn't want to come out.
Oh my god, wait.
Oh my goodness, what? Hello? Just use your fingers to.
Okay.
Okay, just pick it off.
Oh my.
That's already slime, you don't need to add anything. Okay.
Get all off the edge.
I think you've got a utensil for that, darling. Try that one. This one. Yeah. Good
Tell me
one.
when to stop. Okay.
Perfect. Wow. Clear glue.
Oh, that's at the bottom. Oh, that's really sticky.
So it's basically already slime.
Yes.
Pour in extra nozzle for the activator.
Here's the slime activator.
Slime activator.
Can you read that to make sure?
Slime activator.
Okay.
Pick that off. Yay! Find the extra nozzle.
A couple of drops of activator.
How many drops is a couple of drops?
2.
2.
I'll do 3.
Maybe do 4 because I would say it's like 1 drop for 10 millilitres and there's 40 millilitres. So let's do 4 drops.
So let's put 4 in.
4 in. We've already put 2 in. So another 2. 1, 2. Okay.
Then should we mix that with this?
30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
7, 12, 19, 6, 4. you mixed up.
2, wait.
30 actual seconds later.
There it is. So that should be okay. How's it feel?
Okay, I'm going to throw a little bit out. Ooh.
So guys, the instructions said put in a couple of drops of activator. We did, and it's still really
Gooey.
slimy.
Look.
So what we're gonna do?
See, it's like goo.
Blech, we don't want goo, we want slime.
Yeah, so...
Gooey slime, so we're going to put in a squirt. That looks like a good squirt.
And then we'll mix it for like 20 seconds.
I think we'll give it another 30 maybe.
4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30! Ah! Yes, how does it feel? Oh wow, that's what I'm talking about. Yes! Sliminess. That's basic slime one. Oh, we made a boo-boo.
What?
We were supposed to add the colour before we added Activator.
It's okay, we can put colour.
Okay.
So guys, we're just not going to follow the instructions, we're just going to get all our inventory.
Adventure, let's do it. What's next?
So I think we should get some clay.
Yeah.
Then we'll take it out. Oh my god, this is so hard.
It's like a big marshmallow kind of. Ugh.
Ugh.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm probably going to have marshmallow hands.
That's proper goo though.
Yes.
Goo.
Goo. Oh my god.
Oh wow, there. Oh, hello.
This is like a real adventure now. One more dry bit.
Look at that. That much is perfect. So we'll stick that to the side. This bit. Ah! Just stick it there. Ooh.
So this put it in a circle. So my friend will help me.
Yeah. Ooh, Squishy from Minecraft, we love you. Oh, he's just got a face full of marshmallow.
No, look, jump.
Wow.
And there's his little footprints. So we'll roll it into a ball, and this is the secret. So if you have clay dough, you want to make like something, roll it into a ball like this. Then you
Squish it in a circle.
wash it.
So, what are we adding next? Thinking some colour in maybe?
Yep, and then we'll add, and then we'll add that. And you know the trick?
Yeah.
If it's on this side and it's not that flat, turn it onto the other side, and it's much flatter.
Looks like pizza dough.
Yes.
Mozzarella pizza, mozzarella pizza, mozzarella pizza. What colour do you think?
I want purple. Where's
Purple. There's purple. If you put purple on, the best glitter to put on would probably be pink, because you wouldn't really see the purple and purple colour, wouldn't you? What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, purple colour and pink glitter.
Oh,
Oh, it fell off. What is that? Was that important? No. No. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
One more.
Yeah, one for a couple, maybe a couple more. A wee bit more, maybe just about a tad more. Yeah, maybe. Fold it over, and then fold it over again, then fold it over again, then just keep folding it over and keep doing that, and eventually purple comes through. But the good thing is, if you have to add more purple, you can. You see it coming purple?
Yeah.
Awesome! You can put a wee bit more on.
Okay, there we go.
You on it?
Yep.
Oh,
See, look.
awesome. Ooh.
2 hours later.
2 hours later.
I did a big bit. See, look.
Whoa, it's purple.
My hands.
That's proper purple. There you go. Okay. Wow. It's squirting. It's like.
Oh.
Party purple. 10 milliliters.
One more, like I've got some on my hand, so it'll be even more purpley.
We've still got also the slime to put in.
We don't have to follow them, we can make our own.
Yeah, good idea. We don't follow these. So, bye.
So we'll roll it into a ball. We're just going to make our imagination. Oh, look at that purple.
Whoa, I think it's time for some.
So we'll flatten it out, and then in the middle, guess what's going to go in the middle?
Squish it. Oh, squish.
Trying to stretch it out. Oh,
Good job.
good job, Mr. Kitty. Yay!
Sorry.
So are we just going to put it all in?
Yeah, let's do it. So we have our soft clay.
No.
We're adding the slime. How does that slime feel? Is it still just like new?
Yes. Yes, I really want to put this one in.
Whole packet. Whole packet. Oh, yes.
Yeah, baby.
Awesome. Oh, can I have the packet with my knife on now? Ooh. Beets. Whole packet. Yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shucks.
And then are you ready?
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Well, this is really sticky. I've still got some in here.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, just put it in. Wow, that's great.
Then we'll just
Oh my god.
peel it.
Okay. You're horrible.
That was a prank.
The ultimate slime.
Yes, it's. So, guys, guess what? I'm gonna put it in a tub, and then guess what? Should we make another one?
Yeah, let's do it. That is beautiful. It's like a pink. I'm shiny.
Oh yeah, that's from Moana.
Oh, so Moana. So it's.
Hey guys, you can have a shot.
Wow, check it out. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
And then look. So guys, guess what? We can make another one.
You put that one in there.
Guess what?
Yeah.
I know how to make a one. So when you put it in the tub, it farts. Yes. Where should we put it?
Are we making more?
Yes.
Let's do it.
So guys, cause we're back, when we had 5 minutes, I was getting everything ready for the second slime. So first, I'm gonna try clear glue.
Clear glue.
Wait.
You can squeeze it. Ooh, it's disgusting. Ah.
Wait, I need.
Ooh, that look like 60.
One more.
Okay.
Like, I'm just gonna scoop a bit out. And then scoop it out. There we go.
Okay. Sky blue.
Oh,
As much as you like. There we go. Wow. Okay, that might be enough.
wait, I'll do this one because it's pretty clean.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Where's my thing? Whoa, it's amazing
So
looking.
there's gonna be a purple one and
Yeah,
a blue
check
one.
that out. Wow, it's so blue. Oh my goodness.
And to do a couple dots.
I like that colour. There you go. Got some white.
What's happening?
You can make a light blue. Oh, it's like a summer sky. What do you
Now
think?
we'll do
Hey,
some.
it's still a cool blue though, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got Activator. Oh, was that enough? Mix for 30 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
30 seconds later.
27, 28, 29, 30. Wow!
Oh my god.
Awesome! Look how awesome that is.
A little too much.
Yeah, but that looks cool. So what's next? Clay.
Now put some more white. So it can be proper white.
Proper white.
See?
Excellent.
Oh, that's so soft. That looks so
It's soft like a cloud. It's what we add in.
Put some of this. And then now.
It's like a blubber. It's a blubber. Do you know what it looks like?
What?
Blue brains. It looks like a blue brain.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, that's the best colour. I love it.
Now I'm going to.
With proper. Oh, it's like blue zombie brains.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So guys, let's open the candy one up.
Is that oh, that's scent.
Yes, oh my god.
Oh my goodness. It smells like cotton candy.
Well, it is a thing, but
You're squeezing the whole thing in.
yes.
Ivan's going to come in and think, oh, cotton candy! Is it empty?
No. Oh, smell that.
What does it look like?
Smell it.
Smell that, guys. Smell like cotton candy.
Yeah. Extra details.
What's that one?
scent and it's bubble gum.
Mix them good, mix them right, mix it up, mix all night. So this is candy,
it's bubble gum.
Cotton candy and bubble gum. Okay, smell that, guys.
Oh, that smells so good. One more piece of clay. This will be the lonely clay. But guess what?
Yeah. Foam cubes.
But they're going to be scented.
Put some glitter in.
Yes. Wait. Yes.
Wait.
No. So they're going like this, and then when you've done it, you can fold them all up. It can be like a fidget slime, like this for you.
I love the colour.
Oh my god, look! So you see a foam ball?
It's a foam ball. That is a perfect name for it, a foam ball. Foam ball! Maybe some glitter. Okay. Ooh, purple!
Oh,
it's purple! It's
my favourite colour!
Your favourite colour?
Yes.
Wow.
And then guess what?
Yep.
One on top for extra details.
So,
this is the slime that we made.
Wow.
And I promised I would make
purple glitter.
One more after this. Just one more. Quickly.
It's shiny!
From Moana!
It's awesome. Ah! Love the colour.
Oh.
You could dab it in the glitter, you could capture the glitter though. Dab it, dab, 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 dab. Nice nudie dabs. There we go.
Final result. And what are these things?
Foam cubes.
Oh my god, I squeezed one.
You forgot you put foam cubes in.
Yes.
I think I like that one best.
Yes.
However, I also love that one because it's shiny. This one's more foamy. Look how foamy it is. Oh, it's like a Stay Puft Marshmallow, guy. Good one. Oh, it fits. It fits.
So that's two. I promised I would make one more really quickly.
Right, guys, this is slime number 3.
This will be the last one.
This is going to be an awesome one. Don't even know what colour or...
This will be a surprise for you.
Oh, what about these things? We never use these things.
Yes.
We've got pink.
Putting it all in. So guys, we needed a little bit more of that.
Of the clear glitter.
And I put some paint in, so I'm going to put a tiny bit of activator. We need this.
Yeah. Mix and stick. Mix and stick. Everybody loves mixing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
30 seconds later.
27, 28, 29, 30. Wow.
Wait.
Pink. It looks funky. Oh, pink and purple. That's pretty funky. It's funky.
Candy.
What colour is it? Candy. Is that a scent? Candy scent.
I'm just going to put it all in.
Okay, hit it.
Done.
Okay, guys, smell that.
Okay, so mixing time, mixing time.
Mixing time. Mixing it, mixing it. Everybody grab a mixing stick.
Yeah, I love the bulb too.
And it's messy. Oh,
yes.
I'm loving this. But guess what?
What?
We're out of soft clay. What are we going to do?
We don't need soft clay.
We don't need soft clay. We got blue beads. Purple foam beads. I've got a feeling. I got a feeling. Okay, we could do it that way. Oh my goodness. That is awesome.
This might be the best one so far.
That's definitely the gooeyest. Oh my goodness.
Oh
ooh. Oh, that's... Oh, I have no words.
Oh my god, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Already.
Awesome. Oh, it looks disgusting.
I've only put 4 friends in and it's already 10 out of 10.
Looking good, Mr. Cutty. Oh.
Pat a cake, bake a cake. Come join us in the grotto. Grotto! So I'm going to have this for my whole life on my hands because it's never going to come off. This was definitely a major fail.
I don't know, but it depends. I mean, it definitely isn't slime, but it looks awesome. So I don't think it.
Come join me in my hand.
It's candy for candy scented. Candy scented.
If you come
fungus.
to my house, guys, guess what?
Yeah.
I'll be like this for my. This will be on my hands for my whole life.
So guys, I think that was an amazing find. We found this mystery box, and it turned out we got 2 slimes and a whole bunch of fun.
And a goo.
Oh, get me. Get me. Oh, get me. Okay guys, so that was it. So tune in for the next one. The next one we're going to do
Adeline's ice cream.
Yeah, because Adeline got a new ice cream cart and she's going to open that later on. So guys, tune in for the next one. So bye.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.